हाय स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 7 की इंग्लिश हनीकॉम चैप्टर फर्स्ट 3 क्वेश्चन MCQ देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द आंसर टू द 3 क्वेश्चन विल enable the hermit to go to the king, B. the king to lead a faithful life, C. the king to be always, D. the subject to lead a good life successfully. Answer is A. C. the king to be always. Question second. The king was not satisfied with the answer as A. They were lengthy, B. They were different, C. They were dull, and D. They served no purpose. And answer is B. They all were different. Question third. The king went to see the hermit in A. his cage, B. simple cloth, C. his cave, D. a hurry. And answer is B. simple cloth. Question fourth. The king dug the beds because he loved gardening to help the hermit to pass time to get his answer. Then answer is to help the hermit. Question fifth. The wounded man was A friend of the hermit, B a friend of the king, C a enemy of hermit, D a enemy of king. Then answer is D an enemy of the king. The king dressed the wounds of A hermit, his guard, C horse, and D the bearded man. Answer is the bearded man. Question 7. The bearded man was the relative of king, friend of the king, king's enemy, guard of the king. Answer is C. King's sworn enemy. Question 8. The bearded man asked for A. water, B. property, C. forgiveness, and D. money. Then answer is forgiveness. Question 9. The king had done him wrong as he has killed his brother, he has killed his sister, he has sealed his property, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. A is he had killed his brother and B is he had killed his sister. And question 10. The king sent an to king after him, doctor, anesthetic, quack, servants. Answer is doctor. Question 11. The king was happy that he had won a friend, he had killed his enemy, his action has pleased his enemy was won the hermit. Then answer is he had won a friend. Question 12. The answer of the hermit. A satisfies the king, B failed to satisfy the king, and C confused the king, and D amused the king. Then answer is satisfied the king. Question 13. The king sent messenger throughout his kingdom to A find anyone to Answer to his question. B. Promised to pay a large sum of money. Find the hermit. And D. Enjoy vacation. Answer is find anyone to answer to his question. Question 14. The reply to his first question was A. To prepare a timetable, B. To avoid foolish pleasure, and C. To form a council of wise men. D. All of these. Answer is all of these. Question 15. The king was dash with the answer he received. A. Satisfied, B. Not satisfied, C. Different, and D. Bewildered. Answer is not satisfied. Question 16. A hermit lived in a dash which he never left, a jungle, B. Hut, and C. Den, and D. Palace. Answer is jungle. Question 17. The king left his A. Horse with his bodyguard, B. To walk in his garden, C. To fight the enemy, and D. None of these. Answer is horse with his bodyguard. Question 18. The hermit replied to the king's question. A. Immediately, B. After the dinging work, and C. Never, and D. After the man befriended him. Answer is after the man befriended him. Why was the man revengeful? A. Because he was powerful. Because the king sealed his property. C. Because he want to replace the king. D. None of this. Answer is because the king seized his property. Question 20. The king dressed the wounded man. What? A. The man was happy. B. The man slept peacefully. And C. The man befriended the king. D. All of this. Answer is the man befriended the king. Question 24. Which is the most important time? A. Then, B. Now, C. Never, and D. Sometimes. Answer is now. Question 22. The most important business is A. Make money, B. Chair the meeting, and C. To do good, and D. To do charity. First, many wise men come to the king, but they all answered his question differently. The king gave no reward. Question first, the wise man wished to get A. Some amount of money, B. A handsome sum of money, and C. The land owned by the king, and D. The treasure buried under the temple. Answer is a handsome sum of money. Question 2. Their answer to his question were A. Improperty, B. Different, C. Irrelevant, D. To the point. Answer is different. Question 3. The king's reaction was undesirable, B. Humiliating, C. Justified, D. Instant. Answer is justified. Second, here comes someone running, said the hermit. Question first. The hermit drew the king's attention to the kept nervy. B toward the beard man. C toward the evil bodyguard. And D to the seed to be shown. Then answer is toward the beard man. Question 2. The beard man was A. Stabbed by the king, B. God fearing, C. The king's enemy, and D. Wearing a long robe. Answer is the king's enemy. Question third. Both the hermit and the king split for long nursed. Question third. Both the hermit and the king split for long. B nursed the pounds of beard man. C tells D were not surprised to meet the king. The answer is nursed the pounds of the beard man. Third, the most important business is to do the person good because we were sent into this world for this purpose alone. Question first, the hermit advice was A to good to the people, B to do important work, and C the work hard, and D to do good to the person who needs your help at the moment. Then answer is to good to the person who need your help at the moment. Question second. No one is sure A if he would get time to meet, B if he will leave someone else, and C what is the store from him, and D whether the future further is bright from him. Answer is if he will leave someone else. Question third. To do good is A the only work for you, B the main purpose of your life, and C great admired by God, and D liked by even devils. Answer is the main purpose of your life. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। और वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना और शेयर कर देना। और इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर MCQ के वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दी गई है। एंड सब्सक्राइब माय अदर चैनल गायत्री माता के चमत्कार। सब्सक्राइब and press bell icon.